Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about liverpoolbags.com reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United Kingdom that deals with multiple handbags and wallets including backpacks, hobo bags, laptop bags and various accessories including home accessories, cases and pouches, card holders, shoppers, technology items, travel, winter warmers, diaries and notepads, etc. Now let's talk about the payment information of this website. So for that you need to visit the secure payment option, and here they have mentioned that they accept payments via credit card including Visa, MasterCard at the moment. Now guys, let's talk about the shipping policy of this website, and for that you need to visit the delivery information of this particular site. So here they have mentioned that usually all orders are processed and shipped within 20 working days, and most of the orders ship with 20 working days, guys. Rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a secure HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But guys, when it comes to the domain information, we need to find out the exact domain creation date of a particular website so that we can invest our valuable money on worthwhile websites and genuine websites. So when it comes to the domain information of this site, the domain name was created on 25th of February 2021. So guys, this site is 10 days old website, so we can't trust on it easily, and the site can't be trusted on the basis of this domain age factor. Now coming to the company's detail, you need to visit the about us page first. Then this is the about us page, but guys, they have not provided the info related to brand connection, business owner name and business establishment year, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, grammatical errors are there in the about us information, which is again a negative sign. Now coming to the contact details of this website, so you need to visit the contact us page, and here they have mentioned the email address or contact number, which seems to be suspicious, guys. The phone number is not obtainable as well, and they have mentioned a query form in contact us page. And talking about the social media presence of this website, guys, the site has no social media presence on social media platforms, as I'm not able to view a single social media icon on the website, which is again a red high alert. Now talking about the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So here you will get the option which is product returns. So here they have mentioned query form for return or request a return. Now let's take a look at the FAQ section so that we can get to know about the return policy. So guys, I'm not able to find the FAQ section on this website. Let's check out the other option to know more about this return policy. So guys, they have provided the return policy information in the delivery information section only, and here you can see easy 60-day returns. So they have mentioned 60-day return policy, guys, to comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And guys, talking about liverpoolbags.com reviews, so we are not able to find customer reviews about this site on the internet. No customer reviews are available because this website is a newly launched website. Apart from that, no customer reviews are available on the official website as well, so this is again a negative sign. and cropped images are available, guys. So yes, short description is there. They have not provided the enough description about a particular product. Guys, this site seems to be not much popular online due to its early launch establishment, and the site has unknown trustworthiness score, as we have found that the trust index score of the site is 2% only, which is very bad. So guys, there are so many loopholes that makes the site quite suspicious, and in the final conclusion we would say the site appears to be suspicious. You should stay away from such type of scam websites. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.